All right, guys. I promise that I'm gonna be brief. Well, Excel is not calculating hours correctly, so if you just select everything and you check here all the hours, you're gonna check here close to me here. I mean here. Oops, here exactly here where my hand is. So you're gonna see this 38 hours, 48 minutes, and 28 seconds. So if you check here, you're gonna just have the formal like in my case we use the soma because it's in Portuguese, sorry. So you're gonna just like use this, but in your case it's like some probably, right? Yeah, maybe if I do that I can do that. Am I right? I don't know if it's like this. Let me check that is possible. And we like this and just do like this. Yeah, it's not gonna work because it's in Portuguese here. So I would do it like this, but you guys are doing the same but in English, right? So okay, so we're gonna check that the number is not working well. We are not just having the same number comparing to the last one that I was sharing with you guys. So the problem is the first point you guys should do is like get it first. At the first you're gonna check, you have to check about the type of your cell. So over here we have like types of cell. You can choose it. For example, if you come here and just click in the probably just like cell format or something. So you're gonna check this window, and then you're gonna just see here. I wanna just like specific one, let's say like this, or personalized one. And here, that's one of the points you guys should change. Here we have the first one that I have chosen, and I would say that it's not going to be a problem if you keep this one, but you also can change for this one to this one. Okay, it's a good one because you can have a possibility to some more than 24 hours, and that's exactly why it's happening. Okay, so if you put like this, you can just click over this brush and then you can select all of them. Okay, all of them. So that's why it's not working. If I choose this one too, look what's gonna happen. You see, it's just happened. Okay, because when you have that type of cell, it's gonna happen that it's gonna be until 24 hours, and after it's just gonna reset and it just start again. Because like a day, we have like 24 hours a day. So when you choose that one that I showed to you guys, it's just like they will sum more than 24 hours, calculate more than 24 hours. So your case is solved. I hope that it helped you guys. See you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Have a good one.